Welcome to 22 Ducatel located in Ajax. This 3+1 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, single car garage is absolute pride of ownership. I cannot wait to share it with you today. It's located close to amenities, schools, parks, and the 401 is right there. Come on in, let's check it out. Welcome to this gorgeous renovated kitchen. The beautiful cabinetry and drawers all have the slow close hinges. We have soapstone countertops and cork flooring. Absolutely beautiful. And follow me into the living and dining combination. Here we are in the super cozy living room with your wood burning fireplace. And here we are in this beautiful area for your dining spot with a walkout to an incredibly meticulous maintained and landscaped backyard. Here we are in the beautiful master with tons of built-in cabinetry and drawers, all with slow close. We have a fully renovated ensuite, and we also have 2 additionally great size rooms. The flooring in this house is absolutely amazing. Main floor features all hardwood, the master has hardwood, and the stairs are all a beautiful hardwood. Come, let's check out the basement. And here we are in the finished basement. We have this super cool and cozy rec room with a gas fireplace, wet bar, and something super unique to these homes is a walk up to your backyard. There's a 4th bedroom down here, also tons of storage. And that's our gorgeous listing at 22 Ducatel. Call our office at 905-668-1511 to book your showing today and don't miss out.